Congratulations on your recent purchase of the new O.N.E gear locker. To assemble your locker, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Remove the closet and all contents from the carrying bag. Step 2. Unfold the long and medium tubes. You should have 8 corner brackets, 4 long metal tubes, 4 medium metal tubes, 4 short metal tubes, 1 O.N.E gear locker. Step 3. Insert the 2 medium tubes into the front and back of the top of the gear locker sleeves. Insert 2 short tubes into the side sleeves on the top of the gear locker and connect with 4 corner brackets. The hex-shaped end or open end of the corner bracket should be opposite of the long tubes that you will install in the next step. Step 4. Insert the long tubes into the gear locker's vertical sleeves and attach to the top corner brackets. Step 5. On the bottom of the gear locker, insert the remaining medium and short tubes into the remaining corner brackets. Finally, attach the Velcro loops to the bottom tubes to secure the base and stand the unit up. You are now ready to use the O.N.E gear locker in conjunction with your O.N.E device to safely and effectively deodorize and sanitize your gear, clothing, and equipment.